Okay, so hi everyone, welcome on board. This is Anisha here from Cat King, and we have Namrata with us here. And I'm very proud to say she scored 236 in NMAT, which is like 1 mark from our cutoffs, and she has managed to convert NMIMS HR program, that too being a fresher engineer, with final year. So, congratulations, Namrata.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
So tell us, Namrata, how was your interview experience? Like, what kind of questions did they ask you? Did the day start with the what, or how was your entire interview day like?
My interview was scheduled for 5:30 in the evening.
Okay.
After at 5:30, they had some briefing session for about half an hour, if I'm not wrong. After that, our VAT started, and it was in a Google form, and 20 minutes was given for the VAT. My topic was something about terrorism,
Okay.
and after 20 minutes, after 20 minutes, they end your call and they give you a link for meeting.
Okay.
So you need to wait in the meeting hall till your, my interview was around 9:30
Wow. So you had to
p.m.,
wait
I
for
guess.
3 hours.
Yeah, I had to wait for 3 hours. And it was for everyone. So everyone had to wait. If you get panel number one, you're so lucky. If you get 10, then you're screwed. So you need to wait for a long time. And my interview was, as I'm a fresher, mine was based on my SOP. 90% was on my SOP.
Okay. Lovely.
Yeah.
So what
They
all
asked
did
me,
you write on your SOP?
in SOP, you first write about yourself, your introduction, what do you do, and you can also include what programs you've done in your college, what events you might have done some fests and all,
Yeah.
and why do you want to do MBA? And
Okay.
that's the main thing they'll grill you about in the interview. And also, why do you want to choose that particular college? In my case, why do you want to choose NMIMS, and what are your future goals? These
Okay.
are the 5 things I included in the SOP. So they asked me about that. They also asked me about my final year project. I have not done it yet. So I've done a mini project during my second year.
Okay.
So they asked many questions on that. I guess one of the panelists is from EC background like me.
Oh, okay.
So they asked me a lot of questions on my mini project. Yeah.
Okay.
And a lot of questions on SOP. It
Oh,
was around 15 to 17 minutes.
interesting. So did they actually also ask you anything with respect to HR or why MBA or all of those aspects as well?
Yes, ma'am. They asked me. Actually, they read the SOP very thoroughly. If they are to, if what's in the SOP and what you're saying are contradictory, they're going to. You're in a trouble.
Yeah.
So you need to make sure that you need to be clear with what you want to do in MBA and all.
Correct.
So they asked me, why do you want to do MBA? Why not MS or MTech?
Okay.
So yeah, I've answered them whatever was written, and they also asked me which stream you want to go,
Okay.
which stream in MBA.
Hmm.
At that time, I was not very clear about what I should take. So I told I'm not clear of what to take, sir. Either it's marketing, finance, or HR. I just want to study all the subjects in the first year. Then maybe I'll get inclined towards a specific group after that, and then I'll decide on what to do. They were satisfied with it. It's okay to tell that you're not ready with what
Right.
the group you want to take. Yeah,
Okay, that's
yeah,
interesting. And so, how did you go
yes.
about with your entire preparation, considering, see, this was the first time you gave these exams, and the NMIMS interview is
Yes.
like right before anything else, it's like in February.
Yes, yeah, yeah.
So, how did you
I
prepare?
only had uh, I only had 7 days of time for
Wow.
my interview after the results came.
Okay.
Mine was in the second day only.
Oh,
So
nice.
yeah, I took the course from CatKing, the GDPI course. The first thing I did was to make an SOP.
Hmm.
There were videos made by you and also Rahul Sain on
Yeah,
what to do with the SOP. Because for freshers, SOP is the only thing that
abs-
matters in the interview. If you have a work ex, they'll ask about your work and all. So yeah, I made an SOP first. It took me 2 to 3 days for the SOP itself. I don't want to make any mistakes with the SOP. And then I watched videos which Sir made with few students. I don't remember their names. Simran from
yeah.
IIM Ahmedabad. Yeah,
Correct,
yeah.
correct.
Those videos. Yeah, and I made a notes for all of them, like why MBA,
Hmm.
how to introduce yourself. Everything was given really well.
Okay,
And then I had 2 mock interviews. My
okay.
first mock interview went really bad. really bad. I thought my final is gone. Even sir was like, I don't remember who took my first mock interview,
Okay.
but sir said it's okay. You still have 5 days in your hand.
Yeah.
Do this, do that, and in the second mock interview, try to do well. You will be sorted.
Okay.
So I followed whatever sir said, and I've taken notes of literally everything. I also read the dossiers of marketing, finance,
Oh,
strategy, HR,
lovely.
and everything. Yeah, I was ready. Like whatever they asked me, I was ready to tell. I also prepared two subjects from my engineering
That's
because you're a fresher, right?
yeah,
They may ask you. Yeah,
correct.
yeah. And after that, my second mock interview was taken by Ronak sir,
Hmm.
and that went really well. Sir said it's fine now. You're you're doing it well. Just maintain it in even in the final interview, you'll be sorted. So the mock interviews was main, ma'am. In my preparation, 90% was my mock interviews only.
Lovely.
That gave me the confidence. Yeah.
I'm so glad that the team was able to help you. We had like these 20 guys taking
Yes.
interviews
Yes.
day
Yes.
and
Yes.
out. And I remember
Yeah.
the first time when somebody's mock interview goes bad, you're always like, what the hell, why this? And that was the strict instruction
Yeah.
for all instructors to make sure the first interview
Yes.
is
Yes.
bad. So you work hard.
Yes. Yes.
So
Yes.
that surely,
Okay. Mine was, I mean, sir didn't even ask me anything tough or anything out of this subject. He just asked me, just tell me about yourself. And I was all,
blank.
I don't know what I was talking. And all. So that, but yeah, that gave me the push to work harder for the
Correct.
other days.
That's lovely.
Yeah.
I think, you have all the resources. It's all about how well do you manage your
Yes.
time, those 7 days, work
Yes.
hard
Yes.
and put in the efforts, which is there.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Lovely. On your final day of interview, how many people took your interview?
Three people were there.
People were there. All faculties,
Yeah.
or do you think there were some alumni and faculties?
I don't think there was any alumni. All were the faculties only because they were in their late 40s or late 50s, if I don't.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
One sir asked me, just tell me about yourself.
Hmm.
That's it. And he didn't ask me anything. There was a ma'am who grilled me on my EC thing. She
Subject.
asked me, why did you choose that? Yeah, why did you do that mini project?
Hmm.
What was the microprocessor you used in it and everything? I remember everything, so I answered.
Nice.
And the other sir just asked me on my SOP.
Okay.
It was cool. I mean, they were really friendly, they were warm, and
Nice.
they don't really make you get scared and all. It was lovely.
Lovely. Nice. So, what was your reaction once you finally converted? You got the results that you have made it to NMIMS. How did you feel?
Yeah, I was very happy, ma'am, because I almost thought maybe because there were a lot of discussions going on that 50% will be your NMAT score, 15 and 10% from the WorkX. I thought all the 10% from my WorkX are gone,
One.
and I don't know how well I mean NMAT also my score was low. I didn't think I'll be able to convert it.
Nice.
I was really happy. I was actually planning to study for next year. I'll sit and start my preparation for next year. I was not expecting this. As soon as I got the mail, I mean, got the result, I called you only. I was
Yeah, I
asking
remember
you
that.
about,
So,
yeah, I called you about how the HR is, and I also spoke to a few alumni, and they said, don't waste your opportunity, just take the course. I mean, just join the course.
right.
Yeah,
Amazing, amazing. So that's so awesome, and I'm so proud of you, Namrata. Keep doing, keep
thank you so
working
much, ma'am.
hard, and make the most of the 2 years at NMIMS. Wish you all the best ahead.
Sure, sure, sure. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for the entire Cat King family.
Thank you
So
so
happy.
much. It makes us feel really happy. Bye bye. Take care.
Yeah. Bye, ma'am. Thank you. Take care.